Okay, so hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal mid-monthly reading for all the Cancer Sun Moon Venus rising for the rest of the month of December 2024. I'm going to tap into recent past, current energies, and near future. We will see the guidance as usual, starting with the overall energy for the rest of the month of December 2024. Just give me a second, honey. It's disturbing me. Yeah, now we are good to go. Okay, so this is the last reading like this for the year 2024, and it's making me quite emotional. But anyways, this is what it is, life. Okay, it's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Okay, good to go. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box. There will be a website that you can see in the description box, and you can check out the workshop and ebook and courses. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, then also you can just check out the listings, and you can do that. Now, if you have any queries or problems, you can share it with me on tarotanjali@gmail.com. My team will reply for sure. Now let's see Cancer, what we have. Something is happening, something odd. Let's see the overall energy for Cancer people for the rest of the month of December 2024. What it is, let's see. We have the Queen of Wands. Wow. Change in your looks, change in your personality, change in your energies. Basically manifesting a good life for yourself and creating that manifestation for yourself, creating it in the 3D world, trying to create it in the 3D world with all of your heart and soul. Basically, fantastic energies of changing your energies and perception towards people, things, and situations, towards life. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. Knight of Pentacles, you were feeling stuck in a particular direction, in a particular situation. You were trying your best to give a pace to that situation, pace to that direction of your life, that particular situation in your life, but you were not able to do that. So, kind of stuck energies. Currently, Five of Wands, a lot of internal conflict and chaos is going on. You're trying your best to settle it down, but something in you is keeping you up at night, maybe. By the end of this month, we have the Seven of Cups, a lot of things to do, a lot of things to accomplish, a lot of confusion too. Let's clarify these cards one by one in order to get the clear picture, honey. Okay, mic is on. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles in the recent past for you guys. We have the Star card, the Eight of Pentacles, the Three of Cups. You were enjoying your life to the fullest, you were healing, you were putting in the effort and energy in socializing or creating some kind of beautiful connections, coming together, coming back together. A lot of this energy of reunions, energy of having fun, energy of healing, like from the core. But at the same time, you were feeling everything was going very slow. You were stuck in that limbo where you were trying your best to like sort out something with some people, some situations, some connections, and you were doing it very beautifully, but at the same time it was kind of making you feel stuck somewhere. Now, Five of Wands, a little bit of, not a little bit of, actually a lot of chaos and conflict going on internally. Let's see why. Let's clarify the Five of Wands here. We have the Five of Pentacles, Two of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. You're not sure whether to give a situation another shot or let it go. You are in the middle of a situation where you're continuously worried and scared of what if. What if you are living in the future regarding a situation and you're not able to see what you can do about it, and it is kind of creating a lot of chaos, lot of conflict, and lot of this energy of feeling left out in the cold, and you're not able to see what you should do, you're not able to decide what you should do, and that is kind of creating a lot of chaos and conflict. See, the thing is, your energy is in the middle of should I not, but this is something that is still connected to your heart and soul. So you're trying your best to make something work out, start something and make it work out, but it's not happening because of the chaos, the fears, the blockages. Actually, a lot of blockages. Okay, it could be related to your career, it could be related to your relationship area, but this is something very important for you. By the end of this month, we have the Seven of Cups, a lot of confusion, a lot of chaos, a lot of options too. Let me clarify the Seven of Cups. We have the Fool card, the Hermit, and the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, because of your emotional confusion, even if you want to start something or go in a particular direction, you will not be able to do that because of, again, the confusion, the dilemma, this energy of what if this will happen, what if that will happen, what if I'm going to fail, what if I will never be able to do this, what if this is going to give me heart attack. I'm just giving you an example, just joking right now, but you are supremely confused, and utterly in this painful energy of not being able to decide what you should do. You are ready to take action, you are ready to make something happen, but you don't know how to do it and when to do it and what's the first step. So the first step is the impossible one for you. Once you are going to do that, I guess you will be able to go forward. But the emotional confusion, the chaos that you're going through is the sign that you are on the right track. When we are about to get something big in our life, Cancer, mind it, we get a lot of emotional turmoil, confusion, chaos, nightmares, sleepless nights. Trust me, it happens. So you're on a spiritual journey right now where even if you're trying to make sense of everything, it's not making sense to you at all. By the end of this year, all I do see you slowing down, because you will be understanding the energy of slowing it down and understanding that things will happen when it is when they're when they're bound to happen. You can't change the place, you can't change the pace and the speed, but clarity is of utmost importance. So let's say you have lot of talents. Let's, for example, like me, um I was a theater artist, then I was an actor, then I became tarot reader, then I became a healer, then I became a meditation facilitator, then I'm becoming something else also. And it created a lot of chaos and conflict for me. Like, what should I follow? Everything that I'm telling right now is my passion. Everything that I told you right now, I love all of these. What should I do? Then I realized I can do it everything at this same time, but I have to choose the best part for me. And I chose spirituality, I chose tarot, I chose healing. Then everything else is coming to me naturally. That just gave you an example, honey. Let's see the guidance for you. What this AC thing is going to kill me someday. I'm telling you guys, if I'm going to die without any reason, it will be the AC thing not matching with my energies, giving me pain in the ass all the time. Guidance, Four of Cups. Yeah, the emotional confusion, the energies of not being able to decide is actually a phase of your life where you are going to finally realize what is the best for you, what is the best option for you to go ahead. It's just a chaos, it's just a phase before the calm, right? Before the final nail in the wall. So definitely you will be able to find the solution. You have to sit with yourself, you have to get out of all this energy of I can't do it, I am going to fail, I'm a failure, I can't do that, this that. You have to sort it out within yourself, honey, and you will definitely be able to find the first step. Once you're going to take the first step, I'm very, very sure that you will be able to find the other steps also. Just relax, calm down, and sit with yourself. Slow down and sit with yourself. This restlessness and this energy of chaos is not going to help you. My goodness. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.